Hey, what's going on, guys? This is David, and today I'm going to be showing you 5 easy ways that you can use to start making money online for free. Did you know that there are several ways you can start making money online from the comfort of your home? Well, whether you're a student or a mother, or you're just looking for extra means to make more money outside your regular 9-to-5 job, then this video is just for you. You're going to learn about 5 profitable online businesses that you can start right away without any expensive startup cost and without any experience. All you need is your smartphone or any other device that connects to the internet. But if this is your first time coming up to this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because we try to post educational videos every week, so you might learn some more stuff from us. Now let's start with the first way to make money, and this is Amazon publishing. Amazon is one of the largest online companies in the world today. The company makes over $1.3 billion each day in revenue. Luckily, there are several ways you can make money on Amazon, from selling a physical product to becoming an affiliate. But since this video is about online businesses you can start today, we will talk about Amazon publishing and mostly the digital part of the Amazon. Now, books are one of the best-selling products on Amazon, and you can make money by writing and self-publishing on the website. The process is straightforward, and you can do everything from writing the book to publishing it from the comfort of your home. You don't need to hold any physical inventory for doing that. However, if writing is not your thing, you can still make money from publishing low-content books. These are typically journals, notebooks, logbooks, coloring books, and PLR books. PLR stands for private label rights books that are free from any copyrights. All you have to do is to design them using a free software like Canva. Canva is very beginners friendly and it's very easy to use. And then upload these books to Amazon and wait for the orders to start coming in. Now, moving to the second way of making money online, and this is dropshipping. Another type of online business that requires little to no capital to start and little to no experience, but is still very profitable. It's called dropshipping. This is a business model where you sell products without carrying out any physical inventory. You basically act as a middleman between the manufacturers and the buyers. Here is how it works. First, you need to open an online store like Shopify and register your domain name and pay for your hosting, which is sometimes typically $2 to $3, which is absolutely no-brainer. Once you're done with the first step, you need to find products that people want to buy. For example, people usually search for Halloween costumes in October and Christmas costumes in December, or Christmas gifts. So you can list the type of products that you think people will want to buy on your website and promote them on social media. You can use Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, or any other type of social media. Once a buyer places an order on your website, it is automatically transferred to the supplier, the manufacturer. The supplier will ship the product to the buyer directly, and you get to keep the difference between the price listed on your website and the manufacturer's cost. Now, moving on to the number 3 of today's 5 ways of making money online, which is freelancing. Freelancing is becoming popular among people looking for ways to make money online because it is easy to start and it's very profitable. Freelancing is a type of self-employment where you're free to work with anyone you want on your own terms, no matter where you are located in the world. And one of the advantages of this business model is that there is no limit to how much you can earn. Some of the common services that people offer or provide as freelancers include copywriting, blogging, social media marketing, social media management, virtual assistants, web development, transactions, voiceover, graphics, editing, video editing, bookkeeping, and so many more. You can literally start freelancing with any skill that you currently have. And you can start your freelancing journey by registering on one of the popular freelance marketplaces such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, and many more. You can even Google how to find a freelance job, and Google will give you a lot of examples and example websites. You can also start by asking your network for recommendations or using job boards like ProBlogger and LinkedIn. Number 4. YouTube channel. It is no longer news that people are quitting their 9-to-5 jobs to focus on YouTube as a full-time job. This is because YouTube is one of the most visited websites in the world, and video creators are rewarded for their efforts by YouTube through ad revenues. Although there is a huge potential on YouTube, many creators are holding back because they don't want to stand in front of a camera. The good news is that you can start a YouTube channel without ever showing your face and still make a lot of money. Other ways you can make money from YouTube is including brand sponsorships or affiliate marketing or Patreon in your channel and selling physical and digital products. Now, faceless channels are very popular nowadays. These channels vary from pranks, gadgets, product reviews. You can pick from any niche you want, and still you don't have to show your face. Number 5. Selling online. If you have physical products in your house that you no longer need, you can sell them on platforms like eBay. And if you make arts and crafts, or you have any type of hobbies that includes you making some type of product, or not even a product but a gadget or any type of craft, you can consider platform like Etsy. Etsy is a platform where any type of creators can upload their own products and sell them online. However, you could also have a digital product like an online course or an ebook that you can sell directly online. You can create a social media page to promote your digital product, or register a website and promote it online so that people can buy from you. And to write a book online, it's not that difficult. You don't have to be a copywriter and you don't have to be a professor. You can talk about your hobby, you can talk about an interest that you have, and you can combine everything into like 15 to 20 pages ebook and sell that as a product. Now, these are the 5 easy ways you can start making money as soon as today. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below and I will answer them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something today, and let me know in the comments below if you're going to implement any of these 5 ways to make money. Until next time, cheers.